Best DCC is not just a school, it's our second home.
With the state-of-art buildings and well-equipped rooms, we not just learn, we experience excellence.
Welcome to the beginning of our dreams. Welcome to our second home. Welcome to BAS DCC.
My love for reading is growing by the day.
Our classrooms are modern with projectors and air conditioning for comfortable learning.
We have a large multi-purpose hall for different indoor games.
Our football ground helps us to stay active and to learn teamwork.
We also have a swimming pool where we learn swimming and stay healthy.
We enjoy horse riding, which builds our balance, confidence, and discipline.